Hi guys, very good day to you all. Thank you so much for stopping in my video. You're very welcome to be with me. Actually, this is my first video, so I have to introduce myself. My name is Marina Dihit, and I'm located right now in Dubai. So I am a reseller of luxury items, collector of bags and whatever have to do with luxury. Many of my buyers, many of my clients, they so many times told me they have questions about their items or about maybe sizes issues with some items or with some handbags. So many times they told me, why don't you make a YouTube video? So many knowledge and so many experience that you have, you could just show it out. So here I am. This is my first video. Excuse my stress. I hope that I will have your support in future. Please subscribe to my channel, because more videos are going to come in future, and click a like so I will be able to have more videos in the future. I love you all, and for you that you don't know me and it's first time that you are watching my video and you are visiting my channel, I will just say that I am the Luxury Vault by MB. You can find me in Instagram or in Facebook in my own group, where you can send me a request and I can add you to my group so we can enjoy all together. And there you can see all my sale items and all the future items that they're going to come. So today, before I will ship the handbags to my customers, which are already on payment plan, because as well I'm doing a payment plan, I thought that it's a good chance for me to show you the Gucci Velvet Dionysus, which is one amazing and gorgeous bag. But something that most of the people, they don't know or they have not realized, is that the small size of Dionysus, it comes in two sizes actually, and I will show you what I mean. Here, let me see the possible to see. Of course, as you can see, the bag is wrapped because everything is new, and I wanted to go to my client as is, but now I have to open it, and I will open it so you can see what I mean. Many people, they have not realized that the small size of Dionysus, it comes actually in two sizes. Both of them, they are small. Both of them, and in the side, they are marked as the small size. So here we have the velvet. Wow, it's gorgeous. You can see. Here we have the velvet Dionysus, which is small size, but it's a bigger size than the other small size. And I will let you know what I mean. Can you see here that this bag has two compartments? It means that there is partition inside with zipper pocket where you can separate your items. And as well, you can find out when you see the bag in one website, you can just count how many set of GG are there. So you, for example, in the bigger small size, you will find out that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 GG. This is the secret, so you will not be confused. So if you are able, of course, to see the bag from down, you will understand if there are two compartments or two or one. Sorry, I'm confused. Look at it at the back. I love this bag. It's really a statement item. It's really a bag that many people, they think that they can use only in any special occasion. but for me it's a bag that you can just wear every day with your jeans, with your denim. And I will just open the chain because I want to show you a very nice, very good quality chain. It's the gunmetal color. I'll just open it carefully so I can just return it. This bag is never used, but for the sake of that video, I just want to do it for you. So then after that, we can open in the other size of small. There you will realize what I mean. So this is a beautiful shoulder bag or handbag that you can wear it like this, or you can just wear it like this. Very beautiful size and tiny, bigger than the other small size. I love it and I can use it every day. It can take a lot of items. The fastener, it's here in the side where you can just press and click. A small pocket in front, maybe you can keep your mobile or something that you're not using very often. And here inside you can find the two pockets and the one zipper pocket with the cards. And the very, very beautiful emblem, which I love, from the Greek history. And as some of you, you know me, I'm from Greece. So I really love Gucci and I really love Dionysus bags. And now I'm going to the small size. With the one compartment. Ta-da! Here we are. Oh my God, what an amazing color is this. Can you believe that this is the small size as well? I think I don't need to open that handle because this one, it came like that, so it's already ready to sew it. This is a small size as well, yes, but the difference, take a look, just one compartment, and the size between them, if I will put them the one next to the other, let me see if you can see that. Can we see that? Yes, we can see that. So, small size Dionysus, one compartment. It's slightly shorter. The brown color, which is with the two compartments, it's bigger. Then we can see and we can compare the size. So that means that here you can use less items than here. This is one bag that if you would like to use it every day and you are a lady, that you are carrying a lot of essentials every day in your life, you really need to focus while you are purchasing if the small size that you are purchasing is with the two compartments or with the one. I don't know for which reason the brand itself have created two variations of the bag, but I really love both of them. I really love this one because it's in red color, something that I really love it. The brown, it's more, yes, It's more daily. The red as well, it can pop any dress. I can go outside like that, but I can wear it tonight as well with my beautiful dress, with my beautiful black dress, and I will show it to you inside. I don't want to remove the protection as we saw it in the other bag. So here as well we have one flat pocket. We can see that here, where you can keep some items, and here, so we have one big pocket without zipper in the back. So here you can just keep all your necessary items. Of course, it can take a big wallet. I don't have any close to me right now. You can take your big mobile, your wallet, no problem in the size, your key, your lipstick, your card holder. Very beautiful. And in velvet, that many people, they are afraid of it. I will really tell you, I sold many pieces and I have my own as well. It's not a sensitive bag. You can use it, you can enjoy it. It's a bag and nothing will happen to it. See the GG, how beautiful it is. For those that you love to have something different from the canvas, the Supreme canvas. It's a very beautiful bag. You don't have to afraid of anything. I have used my own bag for 2 years now, and I really am saying I'm not from those people that I really baby my bags, or I really taking care of it. I will just throw it. I will just keep my items inside, and I'm just going here and there, and no any damage is there, and no any issues. Here they are. Take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching me. I am very happy to do more videos, and I'm very excited to show you more items that I have, even in my collections, or from the items that they are passing from my hands, because I need to ship to my buyers. So before I will do that, I can just make the video for you so you can see the brand, not only Gucci. We will see a lot of items, I promise you that, and then we can come to know positive and negative of every item, some small details that maybe more people they don't know. That's why I really want your help. I need your support. Please subscribe down to my channel, click like, and see you very soon. Thank you so much. Love you all. Till the next time.